Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic rating of a generator or alternator. Here the word rating is the important one. When you are going into the market and describing the different equipment, different things, then you will require some prescriptions. That's why the rating is become a very important terms. As we are speaking in terms of our machines, generator or motor, electrical machines are generating the power to supply the load demands. So especially AC generator or alternator or maybe they are supplying the load. While generating the power, there the losses is occur into that generator. These losses are copper losses, iron losses, and friction and windage losses. Out of all these losses, copper losses are variable in nature. Means I square R losses is there. R is the constant, but the current flowing to that copper winding is changing. That's why it is called as a variable losses. All these losses are going to get producing the heat. This will increase the temperature of the machine. Hence, the rating of the machine or alternator are temperature dependent. If temperature is rise above the permissible limit, the insulation get damaged, resulting in failure of machines. Means there is a short circuit is going to get takes place between the two windings or two sides of the winding, which is separated by the insulations. So when we want to decide the rating of machine, we should consider the output required with temperature range. The temperature range is due to the copper loss and iron loss, and both these losses will depend on the current and voltage. That's why the rating of the generator is directly proportional to the current and voltage. This is the one normal scenario. Then we can show a detailed. So why rating of generator is in kVA or MVA? Alternator is an energy conversion device which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. It works according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions. Alternators are always designed to supply a specific voltage to a variable load. Here word is variable load is important one. That voltage is output voltage of alternator and is called it as VL, V like voltage. Power drawn by this alternator depends on the power factor. In alternator, if you can vary the power factor by adjusting the field input current and voltage, because in general power factor is going to get defined as it is a cosine of angle between the voltage and current phasor. Voltage and current phasor. Cosine of angle between voltage and current phasors. This power factor is basically depend on the nature of load which is connected. Power factor may be unity, lagging or leading. The load are classified as purely resistive load, purely inductive load, purely capacitive load. Then we can say inductive load means RL series circuit. Then we can say capacitive load means RC series circuit, or we can going to get say RLC series circuit with case 1 inductive nature, case 2 capacitive nature, case 3 resistive nature. So if load is resistive, power factor purely resistive, power factor is unity. If load is inductive, power factor is lagging, and if load is capacitive, power factor is leading. So when you lower the field voltage, power factor increases. At the same time, when you raise the field voltage, power factor decreases. Hence, instead of specifying the rating of alternator in watt, it should be specified in terms of apparent power. Apparent power is nothing but it is a voltage multiplied by current. Or in three-phase circuit, we can say 3 multiplied by line voltage multiplied by line current. So that's why this is generally expressed in terms of volt ampere or kilovolt ampere or MVA, megawatt ampere. There is another reason is also available. In these reasons, we can see the transformer and alternator means synchronous generators are rated in volt ampere instead of watt because manufacturer does not know at what power factor does his equipment or generator are going to get operate. On the other hand, when you are going to get manufacture the motor, that time you can specify this motor can going to get operate for the power factor of 0.8 to 0.9. So default power factor is possible to set, but in case of generator, it is not possible. That's why we are giving the rating of generator in terms of kVA or MVA. These are the few references book from which I have collected the material.